In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create WordPress plugin ChatGPT. We'll start inside WordPress.com, head to the Sites area, and open the site you want to enhance with AI. Make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one. A quick note before we proceed. Installing plugins on WordPress.com typically requires a plan that supports plugins. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check your plan status first. With your site selected, open the Plugins section. You may see a prompt or highlighted search area. Go ahead and click into it so you can browse available plugins. If there's a Discover tab at the top, switch to it. Discover is a great way to explore curated options and ensures search results are scoped correctly for your setup. In the plugin search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. Look for ContentBot AI Writer, which references ChatGPT and GPT-4 in the title. Click it in the results to open the details. If you land on a summary card first, click through again to reach the full plugin page. Taking a moment here to verify the name, ratings, and compatibility information helps avoid installing the wrong tool. On the plugin page, visit the Features section to get a feel for what it offers, including content generation and workflow integrations. When you're ready, select the option to link the plugin to the web app. This explains how your WordPress site will communicate with the provider's service and is useful for understanding what accounts or permissions you may need. Now choose. Get started to begin the setup flow. You'll be taken into a guided setup. Follow the on-screen prompt to proceed. When asked about your domain, pick the option that says you already have a domain. Click into the domain name field and enter the domain you want to use for this site. If you see a choice like Use Your Domain, select it to confirm. Then click Continue to move ahead. From here, WordPress will walk you through the remaining steps to finish connecting the plugin to your site. Keep an eye out for any plan confirmations or permissions screens. After the connection completes, you'll be able to activate the plugin and access its settings from your dashboard. If the plugin requires you to sign in to its web app, complete that step so the features unlock properly. Finally, test it on a draft